What's up, everybody? Meme coins are exploding. In this video, we're going to go over some of the most popular meme coins. We're going to chart them up where I would be buying and some of the targets I'm looking at and the meme coins that could give you the most gains. So let's get started. We're on CoinGecko. They have different types of categories you could look when you're looking for cryptos. We're on the meme coin section, and they even have a dog themed coin section. Just crazy what type of market we're in. Crypto never fucking surprises me. So let's get right into it. The market cap for all meme coins is 23 billion, and that's definitely short because it doesn't take in consideration the hundreds of meme coins that are launching or that just simply aren't here. If we look at the top meme coins, of course you have Dogecoin, and if you look at our channel 2019, we nailed the Dogecoin buys. We got the bottoms, but we didn't nail the sells, and we could have sold for over $1 million, but I heavily shorted myself. So hopefully that won't happen this cycle and we'll get rich together. Dogecoin, number 10 coin in all of crypto. It has a 14 billion market cap. You have Shiba Inu, Bonk that just came out of nowhere, and Pepe. We're going to go over a few and we'll start with the ones that are doing extremely well, but just wanted to point out, when you look at Pepe and the community that Pepe has built, the people that are in Pepe, like KOLs or influencers or just the community in general, it's strong. I don't want to say stronger than the Dogecoin community, but the flip, that narrative is real. People think that Pepe will flip Dogecoin, and 650 million market cap. A 10x would put us at 6 billion, a 20x would put us at 12 billion. So a potential for to 20x in Pepe, it's possible. The crypto market can surprise you in many ways. So we're going to start with Dogecoin, and this is what I'm seeing on Dogecoin. First of all, huge pump from support, approximately 70%, but that's nothing. You can see that we have broken the downtrend that we've been in quite some time. So you can see that we've been forming lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, all the way here, and same thing here. Lower lows, lower high. You can see that one, we broke the trend line. Two, we're breaking above the moving averages, and we're about to get a golden cross on the weekly, which is huge. So what I would be looking for is, if you want to buy on like a guaranteed uptrend, this is the area I'm looking at. You see this resistance here and used as support. So we're looking for us to break above this line at pretty much 11 cents. And there's a few ways you could trade it. You could do a breakaway trade, or you could wait for that pullback and you can wait for the retest here, and then we would be buying. That would be like the perfect entry. I wouldn't be buying on this huge green dildo right here. Like that's a large candle. And if we look at it, 18% actually, not that big compared to some of the coins we've been seeing just absolutely crush it. But I still don't buy on huge green candles. Don't chase, wait for the retrace. If it came down to 8 cents, bounced off this moving average. Ooh, I actually like this. Let's look at this. So if we put a support right here, and then I would break down into smaller time frames as well. So we could do the support right here. That's a little bit better if it comes back down, because now we're trading in an uptrend. So pullbacks are for buys until it doesn't work anymore. And don't go crazy. These are meme coins. I talked to somebody like 2 days ago, and he's like, 90% of my portfolio is in meme coins. And I was like, holy shit, this guy's crazy. But you know, each their own, and he's looking for high gains, because high rewards, high gains. But I'm not that crazy. Maybe you guys are. I'm not. So that is a nice pullback. Even this one looks a little bit better. I like this one more. It's bouncing back into here. This would be the 0.78, about 8 cents. So pull back into the median, and that looks like the median to me, because you can see resistance, support, broke right through actually, resistance. But this would be a great area, pulling back into the moving averages, pulling back into support, and then we could trade it up to this resistance here or just get a nice position. So Dogecoin, will it come back to its all-time high? And Dogecoin was at 77 cents at the high. 77 cents, I'll just put it at almost at 69 for some reason. 76 cents. And if we look at from there, current price to the high, 600%. And if we're looking at the dollar region, which was the target last cycle and we never hit, it was a meme in itself, 870%. You have to realize Dogecoin's the OG, but don't think that only Dogecoin's gonna run. If we look at Bonk, oh my God, it exploded. We're gonna look at Shiba Inu next, and I'll be honest. So if you are, building a bucket of meme coins, maybe Dogecoin 25%, 50%, and that's not your portfolio. That's just of the money you want to allocate into meme coins. Unless you want to be ultra degen and go like hard at the ones that are just releasing, but you don't know if the community will stick, if the coin will stick. There's so many meme coins, it's insane. Dogecoin, if it breaks this resistance, it's gonna fly. That's a good trade. That's on my radar. So Sheeb next on Dex Tools. Dex Tools is exploding. Dex is exploding. 75 cents. I've been shilling that. That's a side note, by the way. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't miss out on any opportunities. We're having out a video a day. If you're in Dubai, holla at me. Tons of events. So Shiba Inu, 6 billion. 20, so this is up 20% in the last 7 days. Doge, honestly, even though it's like half the market cap of Dogecoin, I still think you have a better opportunity with Doge, honestly. I'm not the biggest fan of Shiba. If we look at the chart as well, let's pull that up right now. You can see that huge pump, all-time high, 9,000 sats, 9,200. This is against the dollar, or the dollar. So you can see here, and it looks like we're about to break this downtrend. We bounced off some support right here. Oops. We bounced off some support right here. Flies in my face. And then, depending on how you want to, draw that trend line, and I look at breaks with 1 or 2 candles that are actually closed above it. So even for the moving average, this actually hasn't broken above the moving average as of yet. It could get rejected like we've seen here and like we've seen here. But if it breaks above, this for sure is going to fly too. Man, these meme coins are on fire. Maybe I pulled back what I said about Shiba. But this, so that's a bit slanted. Let's get that straight. 1,000, no, it kind of looks slanted to me. It's not that important, but you can see we're right at resistance. We're breaking the moving average. We're breaking the trend line. If we could flip this, I see a reverse in trend, because right now we're still making lower lows and lower highs. I would look for a break up, pullback, and get in the pullback. Those are my type of trades. Dogecoin still looks a little bit cleaner to me. I've traded Dogecoin for years, and it has a place in my heart. Even though I sold way too early, I still fuck with Dogecoin. Who doesn't? And let's keep going on to the list, because Pepe is the one I kind of really want to get to. Pepe, I think, might really have that, the chance to get to Dogecoin's heights. Maybe it doesn't touch the OG. And this isn't financial advice, but it's crazy making a whole video on meme coins, but that's the narrative in crypto. You want to be right, or do you want to make money? For a little time after I took that L on Dogecoin, or it was a big win, but just seeing what I could have made after Elon kept tweeting, I got turned off from meme coins. I was like, I'm never going to trade meme coins again, but I'm trying to make money. That's why we're all here, right? So next, we are going to touch on Bonk. Bonk, Solana coin, came out of nowhere. It exploded. Like, just look at that. It exploded. It's hitting all-time highs. I am not going to touch Bonk right now. Bonk is on a tear. unless we get some sort of meaningful pullback, and I'm like, I want to really gamble like this right here. Tight stops, of course. I don't know if I would buy this. You can see that we're like from here. Can't even. Okay, let me get a better line. From here, you can see that there's a huge divergence where we're actually making lows, 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 while prices being hella irrational. Highs, highs, highs. And this thing ain't stopping. So I just wanted to put Bonk in the video, but I'm not sure I'm going to trade that at all, honestly. We'll get to Pepe, the OG now, and Pepe, and this, I'm charting everything on Dex Tools unless I have to use TradingView for like Dogecoin, but you can see here the all-time high on Pepe. If we draw a line there, I think it could be 100%, 112%. And like I said, it's crazy I'm making videos about meme coins and things like that, but that's where the crypto market is. You know, for me to say this is a safe 100% would be crazy too, but it looks like it. If we could flip this resistance, this looks like, you know, a strong area of confluence. If we could flip this, so I'm looking at, we bottomed out here, first push up, second push. Are we going to slightly break above and just shoot up? I'll be watching this. Let's look on the daily or the 3 days. Okay, nice. You can see that nice support on the moving average as well. But depending on how we are doing right here, seeing a lot of indecision. This is a strong area, as I mentioned. A lot of people want me to read the price points if they're using their headphones, but I can't read this. Multiple zeros. The price wouldn't even make sense to most people. I could say 1600 sats, but anyways, you guys are just gonna have to watch this. The price here, when this flips, and like I always say, like, wait for that last touch, that last kiss, and then get in. But like, we haven't been getting them. Crypto's just been ripping. It's insane. Thank God I've been all in since last cycle. I didn't have to worry about trying to find an entry. But you can see what I'm seeing here. As soon as we break this, and we've already transitioned, in my opinion, from a downtrend, you can see that we've broken that trend line right here. We've broken the market structure from making lower lows and lower highs, and we put in a higher high here, higher low there, and we're about to put another higher high here. So, you know, if we could get a pullback, I'd be looking at Pepe too. So Dogecoin, Pepe, they're both on my list. Not gonna lie, even the Shiba setup looks pretty good too. If we go back to this is the top dog themed coins, and this is the meme coins. So I will touch on Bitcoin too, the real Bitcoin, actually Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic 10 Inu. A lot of people like, you know, like just the names are insane. This one's Grok. This one is the lowest market cap. If we look at Bonk, and Bonk wasn't in the meme coins, it's definitely a meme coin, down 22%. So Bonk's market cap is 670 billion. It exploded. This is 83 million. Grok, Elon Musk, meme coin. It's gained a lot of traction. You can see we had the first run up here, second large run up here. We are consolidating, and like when you're looking at Elliott Wave or like just Dow theory or whatever it is, when you're looking at 3 pushes upwards, like most of the time we get a pull back into the prior high. That's what we got. Are we gonna break down here? Are we gonna make another leg up? If we use our fibs right here, point A to point B, like if we do move upwards, it's 100% move to the first target. Second target, about almost 188, almost 200%. The thing with these ones are they're lower market cap, a smaller community, smaller, you know, amounts of dollars for marketing, and they're not widely listed on exchanges like the other ones. So with Grok, this is a higher risk. You can see it's actually the top 4 on hot pairs on DEX tools. So it's still extremely popular. You can see Grok right there. And there's a lot of room for upside with this one, especially if you just want to play it for the next leg up and use a stop loss below here, or just manually watch it. So Grok is at 84 million. This one, Bonk, what was it, 600 billion. Pepe, I forgot, 600 billion too. 600 million. $650 million. And then if you look at the price action and like the chart, the Pepe chart's primed to take off. If we could flip that resistance, while the Bonk chart is just bonkers. It's insane. Like, I'm not getting into that. If we look at the bottom all the way to the top, 6,666x. That's insane. So if you're looking where to find meme coins, you could come and scroll down this list. CoinGecko, Coin Marketplace, of course, DEX tools would be probably the better place to look, where you could like see the top trending tokens. You can see all the hot pairs, the daily gainers, daily losers, and then not only that, you're seeing live new pairs. So you're looking at when tokens are launching, like when they're hitting the market, when the pool is going live. You're seeing them as soon as they're birthed. And it's a lot of hard work to figure out what's the next meme coin, like what's the next winner, like who is the dev, who launched the smart contract, how much liquidity is in, how healthy is the liquidity pool, all of this stuff. Is there a community? Did they do their socials? Do they have a website? And joining Telegram or Twitter groups or Discord groups will give you an edge if you're in the right group, but it's PvP. People are dumping on each other, just launching meme coins and, doing it every day. So that's why when investing, it's good to have different buckets. You could have your top market cap coins, Bitcoin, ETH, Sol, XRP for weirdos. Sorry, whoever I offended. And then you have the mid cap coins. Then you have like your moonshot coins. You have your meme coins and moonshot and meme coins. When you're looking for 100x, you don't need to put that much, because like 1K will get you to 100. It's simple math, but you're not gonna put all of your money. And you can get lucky. You can't play the game. You can't hit jackpot if you're not playing the game. So you need to have a little bit of liquidity to throw into these, in my opinion. It's more so a gamble. These tokens were able to actually, chart up, do TA, because they have a ton of price, like a ton of past data that we could look at. But when you're looking at new shit coins, like new meme coins that have just launched, there's no TA you could do. Literally, you have to look more on-chain, in my opinion. See, are the wallets holding more than 2, 3, 4%? Can they dump on you? Are there many wallets holding a lot of the supply? These are all important things to look at. But I wanted to put on the top meme coins on your list, and that would be, in my opinion, for myself, I would be looking to get into Doge, just because it's kind of like a safer play, especially when it flips this. It could hit that 100%. And as a trader, I'm looking to, just make gains, looking for great setups. I'm not married to any of these meme coins. It's not the next Bitcoin. Your meme coin might not ever reach Doge's level. So don't get married to the narratives. And then Grok's a decent one as well, just because it's bouncing off prior highs. It's slightly newish and it has some room to grow. And then Pepe was the other one as well. So Pepe right here. Pepe is one that I think you could throw some money at it and just let it ride this bull run. Maybe wait for a pullback. Same thing I said here. We're going to wait for a pullback. I removed the wicks, by the way. I'm not sure if any of you guys noticed that, because some coin was going bananas. Awesome. So I removed the wicks. I like the wicks on. But you can see when we flip this, like all-time high, when I just look at this, it's imminent. It could take weeks. It could take months. The crypto market could see a huge pullback. And you'd be like, fuck this guy. He told me to buy Pepe. It's down 50%. And another thing I want to know before I let you guys go, meme coins. They move up fast. They move down quicker. So you can fall after buying 10, 20, 30%. And that's just the volatility with these coins. With the even like Dogecoin at 14 billion market cap, you can see the I was gonna say the Dogetility. The volatility is extreme with meme coins. So that's pretty much it. Videos out every day, opportunities out every day. Join the Discord for free. Hit the subscribe button. We're trying to grow this channel to 10,000, then 100,000, and we're putting out a lot of effort. If you're in Dubai, send me a message. We have a ton of events tomorrow. We're doing the Binance Christmas party at the Burj. There's a lot going on. Hit the subscribe button. Stay safe trading. Don't go in 100% into meme coins, you crazy degens, and I'll see you tomorrow.